Let's say if the infotainment system is ever giving you problems, let's say if Apple CarPlay is not working, Android Auto is not working, or the screen is glitching out, you can do a full factory reset, but the downside of that reset is it wipes everything from the infotainment system. So what you actually want to try first is a soft screen reboot. In order to do that soft screen reboot, what you want to do, on your steering wheel here, you've got your hang up button or answer phone button. You want to take that and you want to push down, and you're just going to keep on hanging on. So 10, 15, sometimes 20 seconds or so before you get a message inside of the infotainment system eventually. And you'll come up to this screen here. You want to do nothing. You can enter recovery mode or do a full factory reset, but if you do nothing at this point, eventually what's going to happen is the screen will fully turn off. And what we're doing is we're essentially rebooting the infotainment system. It's the same thing as if you were to do a reset on your phone. So what we're doing is clearing the cache out and trying to solve that issue. So like I said, if the screen's glitching on you, Apple CarPlay is not working, Android Auto, navigation, etc., you can do that full soft screen reboot first. If that doesn't work, you could then jump into your settings there along the very bottom to System, Reset, and then you can do a full infotainment data reset, which essentially is going to wipe everything from the infotainment system. If the soft screen reboot and the full screen reboot don't work, then the next step from there would be to take it into your GMC dealer for them to have a look and see what's going on.